At Transform Culinary Kits, we believe that every plate tells a story, even when the plate is pureed. Welcome to Puree Artistry, where texture-modified dining is reimagined with purpose, pride, and presentation. Across senior living communities, we've seen it all too often. Meals that meet nutritional needs but miss the mark on dignity and flavor and color. Our mission is to change that. Puree Artistry is more than a training. It's a movement. We equip chefs and culinary teams with the skills, tools, and inspiration to elevate every bite. From sculpted proteins using molds, to hand-shaped products, to vibrant vegetables piped with precision, we turn limitations into creativity. Each staff training includes live plating demos, hands-on competitions, and real-world tray line applications. Because we know that excellence isn't built in a classroom, it's born in the kitchen. We teach consistency, we teach color, we teach care. And most of all, we teach teams how to serve pureed meals that residents are proud to eat. At Concordia, South Hill, and across the country, the impact is real. Staff engagement is rising. Families are noticing. Residents are smiling again. Because when food looks beautiful, it feels personal. This is more than culinary compliance. It's dignity restored one plate at a time. Join the movement. Transform your puree program. This is Puree Artistry from Transform Culinary Kits.